Hello everyone. In this video I am demonstrating one way to make a really cute tea cozy. This is all from Stash and most of the instructions are in text as the video goes along, but I'm going to add one or two verbal notes that are important to this particular project. So one thing I would mention is that this particular version uses a technique of making curved seams, which I think are lovely. It's very, very modern, very contemporary. And I have another video which I will link up that shows in more detail how to create curved seams, but the general instruction is just make the seams, the curves very gentle and gradual. Don't try to do anything too grandiose. A very gentle curve still is evident to the eye. So you want to layer your fabrics right sides up. I'm just checking to make sure I don't cut too deeply into the curve on the fabric below. I also apologize because yet again my rotary cutter blade is a little dull, so do as I say, not as I do. I use a lot of pins when I create curved seams. Okay. So now you're going to put your lining fabric right sides down. Next, I add insulated batting to keep the heat in. I use the same batting when I make my hot water bottle covers. And then your outer fabric is right sides up. And just make sure you leave a perimeter of about an inch all the way around with the lining fabric and the batting, because when you do your quilting, the fabric tends to shrink in a little bit. I have a really rough template that I created that is the rectangular shape, the rectangular measurements of my teapot. And I'm opting for curvy vertical lines to complement the horizontal curved seams. Now, I made a bit of a tactical error here because I didn't have enough fabric. So what I did was fold my piece in half and I only used one seam. The reason I don't recommend this is you end up with a kind of a dimple on that side, the side that doesn't have the seam. So going forward, make sure you have enough fabric horizontally that you can cut the whole thing in half, put right sides together, then cut out the shape that is going to fit your teapot, as you can see is coming together here now. Last thing is to trim off the batting and the lining at the bottom of the shape, and then I added a binding, and I have another video for that as well. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be teaching how to make this teapot in May. Keep your eyes out. Thank you.